My name is Charlie Stoddard. I'm currently the president of the BSMRM, Bay State Model Railroad Museum in Roslindale, Massachusetts. I've been a member here since 1981, been actively involved. Figure I've been here 48 weeks a year since then. It was originally called the Bay State Society of Model Engineers. And when we incorporated, we changed it to the Bay State Model Railroad Museum. Massachusetts is the Bay State, thus the transition to that name. We've been here in the building since 1978. We own the building outright. We have 4 storefronts downstairs that we rent out to help pay the tax bill. We've continually been improving the layouts over the years. The layouts are the property of the club. The rolling stock is owned by the individual members. We run various scales, run operating sessions probably about a monthly basis, and we're open to the public the 4th Wednesday of the month, unless it conflicts with like a major holiday. And if you're interested, you would sign up on our website, make a reservation to come. I would say we spend probably 50% of our time working on the layouts and 50% of our time running. We're just continuing to have more open houses for the members and to continue to operate and teach the hobby. We have had a major influx of new members since COVID, which is wonderful because the youth are the future of the club. We're to offer satisfaction of model railroading to its members and to have it at open houses as required so the public can enjoy the museum and the operation of trains. We have members that run an age from 14 years old to 84. So when we bought this building, the room that you have pictures of was originally divided up into about 9 different little offices. So the first thing that was done is we gutted all the walls down, prepped the building for preparation. In the course of time, the members divided up the space for the various different scales, which are N scale, HO, and O scale, and then each of the layouts or scales designed to lay out based on various applications. The N-scale layout is basically based on the Maine Central Railroad from Portland, Maine to St. Johnsbury, Vermont, up over through Crawford Notch. The HO layout is a transcontinental layout, basically from the Sacramento area through the Rocky Mountains and then into Western Virginia. So it's a little bit of sampling of different types of scenery. The O-scale layout is basically a New England type road, similar to the greater Boston area. What's next for the layouts? We're continually improving. Updating buildings, updating electrical, keeping the scenery clean, maintaining the electrical systems. There's a lot more lighting we can do, a lot more things we can do with signaling. And there's always things that need to be fixed. There's always something to be done. Layouts are never finished.